Here are 5 things you didn't know about Thomas Mitchell, a 67-year-old typewriter repairman from Detroit who became a millionaire teaching coding. First, this man discovered something incredible. Understanding how typewriter mechanics work actually made programming languages easier to learn and teach. Second, he started charging $200 per hour for what he called analog coding lessons. He used actual typewriters to teach logic flows to confused programmers. Third, major tech companies noticed his success. They began paying him over $50,000 to train their developers using his unique mechanical approach. Fourth, his method was so effective it reduced coding bootcamp completion time by 60%. This led him to build a $25 million online education platform. Fifth, here's the most mind-blowing part. He now runs the world's largest retro tech coding academy, generating $8.2 million in monthly revenue. The man who teaches cutting-edge programming has never once touched a computer himself. He built a tech empire using nothing but obsolete typewriters.